matter with him because it was getting nowhere.
The noise from the neighbour's house carried on, but exactly what noise annoys Alex and his family the most? Their two children and the elder boy is in the habit of every time he goes to the toilet, he will yell when he's finished with his job. He says "Tati ho gaya," which really means in Indian, which means in Hindi, I finished my whole job. Now the thing is, we have heard this on an average. He's been screaming this out for, guess what, for 15 times, no less than 15 times.
I do understand that kids do make noise, but this is not noise. This is screaming. Screaming on the trampoline.